There's no possible scenario where she has underwear on. So we're just gonna go with that. It's Halloween, whatever goes. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel, and even more importantly, welcome back to the #Halloween series of 2019. If you missed the first episode of Halloween where we did Pennywise and Elle from Stranger Things, I'll have that link in the down bar below. But today we are getting mo spooky, mo Halloween. Actually, no one's spooky. Pennywise was the spookiest. There's no spooky here. We're just gonna get like Ashley O-E and Maddy E from Euphoria E. Anyways, I'm super excited about today's costumes. There's some really fun DIY elements that we can make to make some bomb costumes. You already know I got my Ashley O wig. I'm so excited to put this on and shoot some really fun B-roll. Not entirely sure how excited I am for these like glitter hot pants shorts, hot shorts. Booty shorts? Not entirely sure, but you know we went to the gym this morning to try and make this as Miley Cyrus as possible. Anyways, super excited, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and let's just hop right into the first costume. Okay, so Ashley O doesn't have a ton of actual DIY elements, I feel like, on her outfit, but she's got that little toy, the little robot, and randomly you cannot find the robot anywhere, which I feel like is a major missed merch opportunity on Black Mirror's part. Originally, I was gonna DIY the costume and just have like the robot as the little accessory because she's such a big part of the episode. But today we're gonna make the little robot counterpart out of some Life water bottles, not Spawn, just a really good shape for the little robot. And also, we love recycling, we love saving Mother Earth. So that's a plus as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off these stickers and then trim these down to be the like bottom half of her body. And then we're gonna go upside down with this one and use this as her head because I feel like she doesn't really have a neck. Does Ashley have a neck? I don't think she does. Necks are overrated. Oh my god, danger. Danger! Danger!
I looked at that in here, I was so scared. I was like,
if we make it to this DIY without losing an extremity, we are in good shape. Oh, that was so satisfying. Label peeling ASMR. Happy Monday, y'all. Ooh, she gonna be cute. Okay, so skeleton of Ashley O is ready for her coat of white spray paint. She's ready to be born into this world. And then I just have some clay, some white and purple, and I'm gonna just, I think, clay out her hair and we'll just sit it right on top of here. But she's got her little arms and then we'll just need little eyeballs and then she's done. She looks cute. She reminds me of Evie from WALL-E. Evie. Okay. I don't really know anything about clay. Play-Doh and plasticine is about as far as my like molding sculpt. Wait, no, remember the time we sculpted a moose? So I think in theory, if I mix these two colors, it should end up something a little closer to that. I just feel like we're gonna be here for a really long time. Oh, this is really hard and not warm. Can you microwave clay? I really don't know anything about clay. This is my worst nightmare. So while our little robot dries, I'm gonna work on this and hopefully get some, it's under my nail. Work on getting a closer hair color to our Ashley O, and then we're gonna put it all together. I feel like she's got really chill makeup too. I was like ready to like do some fun makeup. After my Pennywise makeup experience last weekend, I'm basically a pro. I'm not. I failed really hard. I had to do it twice. I had to start over. Okay, seen an hour of blending. Her head is so flat. System's not computing. Okay, finishing touches. Our girl is getting her eyeballs. I wonder if we have stickers that would work better for this. Instead of trusting my own hand. Please stand by. Oh my gosh, she's alive. She's alive. She's alive. Okay, so Ashley O has a really, really specific cut of a shirt on, and I typed in on Amazon vintage sweetheart neckline and got this shirt. And so hers is white latex, and that's just like impossible to find unless you are Miley Cyrus's stylist. So I found this and I'm just gonna crop it, and that's about it. But it's a pretty good match in terms of matching the neckline. They don't know you like I know. Okay, next up we have Maddy Perez from Euphoria, specifically Maddy's iconic carnival outfit from, I think it was episode 4. Essentially, it's the one that has like the big cutouts around the hips, and her body is so banging. So like, not entirely sure how my body's gonna look in this outfit, but her body looks sick. So we're gonna do the pants. I have just some like flared bell bottom stretchy pants, and so I'm actually going to sketch out the cuts while I'm wearing them because I feel like they're so stretchy, and I'm scared I'm gonna cut too much if they weren't on my body, and then we'll have an issue. Like, I already feel like she's not wearing underwear. There's no possible scenario where she has underwear on, so we're just gonna go with that. It's Halloween, whatever goes. And then for her top, she's wearing this brand called Gia. So to recreate that, I've got these little bejeweled letters that I'm gonna make a knockoff Gia brand little tag. So I'm gonna use these little letters and some elastic to just go across here. We're gonna crop this and then add the little branding tag just in between the little boobies right here. I am severely nervous for how my hips are about to look, but I'm stoked to bejewel my makeup afterwards. Also, before we dive into this, her actual outfit is like a deep purple, but that's a super, super specific and really hard color to find. Their carnival scenes are pretty dark to begin with, so we're gonna go with black just for the ease of the costume. And let's get a little scandy. Dad DIY, if you're watching this now, is a great time to click off the video. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, 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 idiot.
Did you see my face?
You were like,
I was like, my mouth was open. I was like, what are you doing?
Oh God, I need a coffee. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks like pretty good. I'm like really nervous to try this on for just like the butt crack and crotch situation of these pants. But they're sick. They're like so iconic. She looks so good. So I'm gonna clean up some of these cuts, and then if you want, you can go ahead and add like a clear sealant of any kind, or even clear nail polish along all the edges, and it'll stop the edges from fraying at all. This is like a pretty decent fabric though, where if you just stretch it, the edges roll in and you're pretty good to go. If you do have a fabric that kind of has like rough edges at all, you can just add some clear nail polish and it'll seal it right up. Oh my God, these pants are really scandalous. Oh my God. Okay, let's go on to the top. So because these are stickers, I'm actually just gonna trim and keep the backing of the sticker on each letter and just trim it down as much as I can, so that A, it's not gonna stick to our chest, but B, it gives it a little more sturdiness when we glue it onto our little piece of elastic. Okay, so that's option 1, using little bejeweled letter stickers. And then the second option, you guys might recognize these from the friendship bracelet DIY I did not too long ago. But these are just bedazzled letter charms that are super, super easy. And so her Gia is, I think, like silver little diamonds. So this one I think is a little bit closer, but I'm gonna try out both and see which one is a better match. Also, I feel like this is a really cute spot where you can just like customize it and be like, who's Gia? I'm LAUR, and I can put LAUR. laurDIY right across the boobs. Branding. Oh man, they both look really cute. I'm not sure which one I like better, but we'll try both. Okay, so here's my dilemma. This is the top I'm gonna be putting on. I'm double shirting right now. This one is closer to her actual top, having it like right here because it's silver. But this one is like just better looking almost, but it's not as close to the actual costume. So I'm majorly torn, and I wish I could have your guys' instant feedback right now, but I truly don't know which one we should use. Either way, I'm gonna crop this top. It literally looks like a bathing suit top. Man, her body is banging. I think I'm gonna give myself a little more on the bottom here, and then we'll make a decision on our Gia tag. I'm torn. I feel deeply uncomfortable in these pants, but the look is almost done. We got our ponytail weave. Also, I'm like Asian version of Maddy. She's got like super, super dark hair. Even with my darker ponytail extension, it just like, I just need to be Asian Maddy today. So I'm gonna do a really big wing for the liner, and then I've got these iridescent little bead crystals to go along the wing. Also, I have like places to be after, like Target and the movies later, so like not entirely sure what we're gonna do with this look after, but let's just get into it. Oh, she thick. She thick. Almost dies.
It's on your eyelash.
Oh, is it? I was like, where did it go? Wow, lash extension's coming through with the catch. Okay, so how not to apply eyeball gems. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't seen episode 1 of the Halloween series, that'll be linked in the down bar below. Let me know what you plan on being for Halloween in the comments. And if you do try out any of these costumes, please, please, please send me photos. I know this costume I've actually seen online for like kind of expensive, which is crazy because we made it full super, super cheap just using some Amazon pieces. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. Those will be linked in the down bar below as well. And if you haven't seen last Wednesday's vlog, that'll also be linked. And I will see you guys for another song DIY. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.